In this video, we are going to learn how to create a matching activity in Edvento. From the teacher dashboard, find the Create New Activity button in the navigation bar. Click Create New Activity. You will be directed to the Activities page. Scroll down to the Individual Activities section. Find the Matching activity. Move your mouse over the activity card to flip it. On the back of the card, click Create Game. Now, enter a name for your activity. Then, decide whether your activity will be public or private. I am going to make this activity private. If you want your activity to appear publicly in the Edvento library, select Public. This will allow other teachers to find and use your activity. After choosing the visibility setting, click Create Activity. You will now be directed to the activity creation screen. The first thing you may want to do is set a background image. Click the Theme button. Then choose a background image for your activity. On the left-hand panel, you will see the Pairs section. Each pair contains item A and item B. Here, you can enter words, short phrases, translations, or other matching items. It is recommended to keep the items short. For example, you can create word-to-word pairs. You can also create keyword-to-keyword pairs. You can create translation pairs, or you can create image-to-image pairs. This activity is not designed for matching long sentences or lengthy phrases.
For longer text, Edvento provides a separate line-to-line matching activity. Let's add a simple example. In item A, I can enter the word cat. In item B, I can enter the word kitten. I can also add an image to either item. When images are added, the activity can become an image matching activity. Without images, it will remain a text matching activity. You can use matching to practice vocabulary, translations, keywords, images, and many other types of short pairs. You can enter all your pairs manually. However, when you need to create many pairs, there is a much faster method. You can use the Edvento AI Activity Creation Agent. Find the AI Agent button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click it to open the Edvento Activity Creation Center. First, provide the learning objectives for your lesson. For example, I am going to teach diffusion. I will paste my diffusion learning objectives into the AI agent. Then I will send them. The system will ask which type of activity I want to create. Because I am creating a matching activity, I can simply type match. There is no need to write a long instruction. The AI agent will automatically identify the activity type. It will then suggest several matching activity ideas based on the learning objectives. Review the suggested ideas. If you do not like them, you can ask the AI agent to provide more ideas. When you find an idea you like, enter its number.
The AI agent will focus on your selected idea. It will then create suitable matching pairs based on that idea. After creating the pairs, the system will ask whether you want to use a CSV template. Select Yes. The AI agent will convert the matching pairs into a ready-to-use CSV file. Please be patient while the file is being prepared. When the CSV file is ready, click Download. Now, return to the Matching Activity Creation screen in Edvento. Find the Import button in the navigation bar. A pop-up window will appear. Click the area that says Click or drag your file here. Open your Downloads folder. Find and select the Matching Activity CSV file. Once the file has been uploaded, click Start Import. All your matching pairs will be added to the activity automatically. You can now review the imported pairs. You can edit any item if necessary. You can replace images. You can also delete any pairs that you do not want to use. When everything is ready, go to the navigation bar at the top of the screen. At the end of the navigation bar, you will see the red Save button. Click Save. Your matching activity is now ready to use.